Good morning, children. Hello. This is for class 8. This session is English for class 8, 11th January. So, look at the heading there. What are we going to discuss today? Degrees of comparison. Yes, children. So, let's begin. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. Yes, did you understand that? Okay, so degrees of comparison words may be adjectives to describe nouns or adverbs describe verbs. Okay? Okay, there are 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree, and what's the next one? Superlative degree. So now let's talk about the positive degree. The positive degree gives us information. Pretty, green, smelly, small. This is all in positive degree. Big, friendly, spotted, smelly. Once again, the positive degree, dangerous, proud, graceful, terrifying. The comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare only two things. The bee is smaller than the bird. So here you are comparing two things. What are the two things? Bee is compared to the bird. So the bee is smaller than the bird. You can see it in the picture there, very clearly visible. Out of the two, which one is smaller? B. So, how do we write? The B is smaller than the bird. This is comparative degree. Okay. First is positive. Next is what? Comparative degree. Let's see some more examples of the comparative degree. The butterfly is prettier than the worm, earthworm. So many types of worms are there. Yes. The ant is slower than the cockroach. Slower. It is comparative degree. The superlative degree now. The superlative degree is used to compare 3 or more objects or people or places. The ladybug is cuter than the fly, but the grasshopper is the cutest of them all. The worm is faster than the snail, but spider is the fastest of them all. Fastest is which degree? Superlative degree. So fast, faster, fastest. The yellow butterfly is prettier than the blue butterfly, but the pink butterfly is the prettiest of them all. Now, rule 1. Add R and ST to the words that end in E. Safe, safer, safest. So, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Wide, wider, widest. Tame, tamer, tamest. Large, larger, largest. Large is positive degree, larger is comparative degree, and largest is superlative degree. Tame, tamer, tamest. Okay, now we move on to the next rule, that is rule number 2. If the word ends in Y, change the Y to what? I. Then add ER or EST. Tidy, tidier, tidiest. So positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Happy, happier, happiest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Degrees of comparison: heavy, heavier, heaviest. So heavy is positive degree, Heavier is comparative and heaviest is superlative. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Now, rule number 3. When the word has a short sound, the last letter must be doubled when adding ER or EST. Big, bigger, biggest. See, B-I-G. Then double G. Bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Big, bigger, biggest. See, big apple, bigger one, biggest one. Wet, wetter, wettest. Rule 4. When the word has a one syllable and ends on 2 consonants, add ER or EST. Smart, smarter, smartest. Black, blacker, blackest. Cold, colder, coldest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Small, smaller, smallest. Young, younger, youngest. Now rule 5. Good, better, best. Now there are some words, they do not follow any rules. Yes, good, we don't say gooder, goodest. No, good. These things you have to remember, children. You have to by heart. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Much more, the most. Bad, worse, the worst. See, good, better, best. Okay. Now we move on to the next rule, rule number 6. Words with 3 or more syllables get more and most before the word. Beautiful. We don't say beautifuler and beautifulest. No, that's wrong. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. You have to remember all these things. There's no other go. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. So I'm sure you are ready with pen and paper. Are you? So let's begin, shall we? Okay. Cats are dash than mice. See, there are 3 options given there. You have to choose the correct option. Cats are what? Bigger than mice. Did you get that answer correct? Very good. If you have not got it correct, please correct it. Okay? So now let's move on to the next one. Dogs are what? Tame. That's the correct answer. Did you get it? Okay. Birds are cute, bunnies are cuter, but cats are the... What is the correct answer? Did you get it? Did you guess the correct answer? You have to write down the answer. But cats are the cutest pets. So the right answer is cutest. Did you get it right? Yes. If not, please correct it. Do the correction. Butterflies are dash than grasshoppers. What's the correct answer? Pretty, prettier, prettiest. So the right answer is prettier than grasshoppers. Lions are dash than spiders. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. The right answer is more dangerous. Yesterday was hot, but today is even what? Hot, hotter, hottest. The right answer is hotter. Please give me the dash apple. Big, bigger, biggest. Biggest is the right answer, children. Ben is the dash boy that I have ever met. Kind, kinder, kindest. So what's the correct answer? Did you guess it? Yes, kindest. So write down the correct answer. Don't make any mistakes. Today is dash than yesterday. Cold, colder, coldest. The right answer is colder. Jack is dash the basketball player of the season. Good, better, the best. So what is the right answer? The best. I hope you got it correct. Okay. Comparative adjectives are used when comparing dash things, people or groups. Right answer is what? 2. Which is the comparative form? I'm strong but my brother is stronger. Next, many adjectives are changed into the comparative form by adding er. Which is the correct comparative form? My phone's expensive but Joe's is more expensive. A long adjective of 3 or more syllables is changed into a comparative adjective by putting more before it. Which is correct? Do you think Maria is dash than Selena? Prettier than. Which is not a comparative form of adjective? Clever, more clever, cleverer. Which is correct? English is dash Japanese, easier than. Which is correct? This year the weather is dash than last year, worse. Which is comparative? Whose English is better? Check answer. Okay. Now check your answer. If you got it wrong, you can do the necessary corrections. Okay, children? Okay, now a few more questions, children, for you. What is dash sport in your country? Again, there are 4 options given there. You have to choose the correct option and write your answer there. Yes. Next question. The TV show was what? Boring, more boring, as much more boring. Next question. This chair looks dash the sofa. What? Find out the correct answer. Let me tell you, children, you have to be very thorough with the rules that I have told you. You have to read the rules. Then you have to try writing the answers. Otherwise, you are likely to go wrong. So, first go through the rules and after that, start doing your assignment. Okay. This is dash film I have ever seen. Now next one, try to drive dash, then you use to. See, there are 4 options there, note down and write the correct answer. Okay, now we move on to the next question. This test is dash, we expected it to be. So there are 4 choices. Fill in with the right choice. Sometimes email is dash than a telephone. Again, 4 options for you. Choose the correct option. Some governments are dash than others. Next one. You speak English dash slowly. You have 4 options. Choose the right option. The trick was dash amazing. What? Try to write the correct answer. Some animals are dash small. How small? Choose the right option. The movie was. What is the right answer? Right there. What's the gradable adjective for disgusting? Find out and write. What's the ungradable adjective for happy? Write down the answer. What's the ungradable adjective for pretty? Right? Children, I have an assignment for you. You have to note down and write down the answers. Yes, Andy is 165 centimeters tall. Donna is 167 centimeters tall. So Donna is dash than Andy. You have to look at the options and then choose the correct. Now we move on to the next question, children. My father is 45 years old. My mother is 46 years old. So, my mother is dash than my father. Now you see, children, there are 4 options given. You have to choose the correct option. Yes, children? The next question, children. An elephant is dash than a cow. Again, we have 4 options given here. Smaller, longer, bigger, shorter. You have to choose the correct answer and fill in the blank. A horse runs dash than a buffalo. What's the right answer? There are 4 options given there. So you choose the correct answer. Girls' hair is usually dash than the boys' hair. Again, we have 4 options given there. You have to fill in that blank space using the correct option. Most students think that mathematics is dash than other subjects. So you have to choose the correct answer and fill in that space there. A car's price is usually dash than a bike's price. Again, this is the same type. You have to choose the correct answer. Okay, now we move on to the next question, children. My room is dash than Bill's place because I clean it more often than him. Choose the right option. The weather on the beach is dash than in the mountains. Don't go wrong. Go to the rules and regulations and then fill in the blanks. Town is dash than village. Okay, children, one more set of questions for your assignment. Note down and then do it, okay? Are you noting down? That whale is dash than this dolphin. 4 options. Choose the right option. Then second question, I am positive that I am dash than my little brother. Choose the correct option. Again, I would advise you to go through the rules and then start solving the questions. Otherwise, you are likely to go wrong. My new job is dash than my old job. Next one, children. Her cook is dash than my mother's cook. The road is the dash. In this road is the dash in the town. Paul is 8 years old. Tom is 9. And John is 10. John is the dash. January is dash than May. Sue is dash at English than me. Horses are dash than snails. Choose the correct option. Football is dash than tennis. 3 options. Friends are dash than money. Be very careful in choosing the option. Don't go wrong, children. My drawing is dash than yours. Colorful. What colorful? More colorful, most colorful, colorfuller, colorfulest. This game was even dash last week's game. What? Gooder than, better than, best, less, better, and. So answer the correct, choose the correct option. Next question. This trip was dash her last one. Choose the right option. Don't go wrong. This lesson is dash yesterday's lesson. Most boring, more boring, boringer than, more boring than. An elephant is dash than a dog. Choose the correct option. Be very careful in choosing the options. Don't go wrong, children. My father is dash my mother. Rama is big and D. See, read it very carefully and then write the answer. Okay? Sam is good swimmer, his brother. You have to choose the correct one. Who is tall student in the class? This is a little different type, so you have to read all the options very carefully and then write the answer. Next one. Lions are dangerous cats. James is bad player, I know. Mary is funny in our class. Sam is intelligent, Roy, but Jim is intelligent. Now the next question, children. Max, old Sam. Next one. Science, interesting math. Milk, healthy Pepsi. Thank you, children.